This is a Cron 4 Body Beautiful Minute. We're at Dr. Stompro and Dr. Cheng's Plastic Surgery and Medispa, and one of their specialties is the mommy makeover.
Us guys are the lucky ones. We don't have to carry those babies. A mommy makeover involves a tummy tuck, liposculpture, and breast surgery all in one procedure.
What's great about our practice is you get 2 board-certified plastic surgeons, and we can do these comprehensive procedures in our own office certified OR.
Our greatest reward is giving women their bodies back.
As a mom of 3 kids, I had a few areas that I couldn't correct with diet and exercise, so I sought after a plastic surgeon to help me with those areas, and I found Dr. Stompro and Dr. Cheng, and I couldn't be happier.
For a complimentary consultation, give the doctors a call at 925-736-0401 or go to plasticsurgery1.com.